Hi, this is Nathalie from Line.arrow from the Netherlands, and as you can see, I have here the screenshot of the LDA Valentine's Challenge we run in the Facebook group, and I still have to do the winner's drawing. As a matter of fact, I have to do 3 different winner's drawings. This one, and then one from the membership drive in the Facebook group, and the final one is the journal giveaway, the Valentine's journal. Because uploading short videos is much quicker for me to do. So I'm going to do 3 separate videos for each separate giveaway. So if you entered all 3, make sure you watch all three of the videos, otherwise you will miss out. But this is for the hashtag Valentine's Challenge. So the one we created stuff with the kids and the freebies and posted it in the group. First prize will be the first name I will be drawing, and that is 3 digitals for my kids. The second prize is 2, and the third is 1 digital. So let's go over to the wheel and start draw the winners. So I have here the name picker wheel, and yeah, I'm going to draw the first prize, 3 digitals from my shop. I think I have to, nobody won, so I have to do another one. I don't know why there's an empty field, but there are 2. I think it has to do with, I don't know. I don't have any empty spots, so yeah, we spin again for the first prize. And just hope it doesn't end on an empty spot again. Otherwise it will be a long giveaway. Oh, what's good? It's not my, I'm not doing anything. It's out of my hand. And the first prize winner is Mel Cockburn. Congratulations, Mel, and also thank you for joining in with the challenges. I'm going to remove your name from it, so your name will be taken out. Sorry, I did this off camera. I wasn't sure if all the names were taken out, but it is. So this is the second spin for the second prize. Maybe I want to shuffle a little. One moment. So I did shuffle a little. I'm not sure if you can see, but this is the second drawing for the second prize, 2 digitals from my Etsy store, and a lot of empty spaces. So don't hope it will end on the empty spot again. Oh, this is so funny. I'm taking away, so you see I'm not pushing it. It's out of my control. Yeah, the second prize winner is April Rotten. Thank you very much, April, for joining in, and congratulations. You won 2 digitals for my shop. Let me know what you want. And I like to receive text via Messenger, because in the email everything get lost. I don't know what's happening lately, but I receive a lot of emails, and I don't want you to think I don't respond, but I just don't see it. It's too much to react on. It's overwhelming at the moment. So I'm going to remove April from the wheel, and now we're going to spin for the third prize, 1 digital from my shop. And again, the empty spots. I see a lot of Linda. again my... Is it going to land on Bea? Yes, it is. Okay, congratulations, Bea de Vries. You won one digital from my Etsy, and also thank you for joining in with the challenges. So yeah, this was the one for the Valentine's challenge in the Facebook group. Let me just switch to the other screen. One moment. Well, like I said, thank you all for joining in, playing along with us. Yeah, and congratulations. And send me a message via Messenger and tell me what kit or kits you want to receive. You can also wait a little bit longer, but just tell me if you want to wait a little bit. Maybe you want to wait until there's something new in my shop. I don't know. But let me know. Yeah, and thanks everybody for joining in. Thank you very much for watching. Like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I hope to see you in the next winner's drawing video, because I'm going to record another one after this one, and that is for the membership drive. So if you participated in that one, make sure you check out that video too. Okay, this is it for now. Thank you very much for watching. Stay safe, stay creative. Greetings from the Netherlands. Bye-bye. Bye.